we're gonna make a struggle Monte Cristo, which is a sandwich that's French toast on the outside and meat and cheese on the inside. And I love that because it's got one foot in breakfast, French toast, and another one in lunch and dinner with the meat and cheese. Plus, it's sweet and savory, so there's so many complementing flavors happening. And the best part is, it's very easy to make.
Life can be a struggle, but a good meal doesn't have to be. We can make creative, nutritious, and inventive dishes that won't break the bank. We'll eat well and save money, because that's what we do. Welcome to Struggle Meals.
We start off with some bread. So I'm using brioche bread here. We're gonna hit this up with some mayo and mustard. So I'm gonna spread the mayo right to the edges. We're gonna hit it up with a little bit of mustard. All right. Nice even spread of the mustard. You basically have to make a ham and cheese sandwich here with mayo and mustard as if you were just gonna have this as the perfect ham and cheese sandwich. You can't leave any of the condiments out. And then we dip it in the French toast and you get that sweet element that really interacts beautifully with the savoriness. Come in with some ham right now. We're gonna come like this right here and a little fold right there. We'll do the same over here. Boom, ba boom, ba ba da, booby doo. You know, traditionally a Monte Cristo has turkey and ham, but since we're making a struggle version, we're just using ham. I got Swiss cheese here. I like to use Swiss cheese, not only because it goes so well with ham, but because it has holes in it, it's more affordable. We'll cover our sandwiches. Let's beat some eggs. Now we're making French toast. Gonna add a little milk to the eggs and some cinnamon, and we'll whisk it up. So now we turn these ham and cheese sandwiches into Monte Cristo with one simple step. We dip them into French toast batter. Butter. We're gonna take our sandwich, we're gonna go right into our egg mixture. All right, I'll flip it over. You wanna make sure you get it nice and eggy. Doo-doo. All right, I'll repeat with my other sandwich. We are looking for, perfect. GBD, golden brown delicious. Look at that. Our Monte Cristos are done. Got that melty cheese. All right. Let's make these extra breakfasty by putting a fried egg on top. We're gonna hit these eggs with some pepper and a little bit of salt. I'm going over easy. You can cook your eggs however you want. Swift and deliberate flip. We can bring these right back now, and let's lay them on top. This is like a hybrid of breakfast's biggest hits, and it's only $2.90 a serving. Let's dig in. Woo-wee! The texture is the first thing I notice. Super soft French toast and then slight resistance on the ham and cheese. It's fantastic. And then the mustard hits you. It is sharp. It is a little bit spicy. And the ham and cheese follow. Am I having French toast or am I having a ham and cheese sandwich? You're having neither. You're having a struggle Monte Cristo. And it is the perfect 1 foot in breakfast, 1 foot in dinner sandwich. Man, is it good.